I'm gonna go wash my spoon right here and oh, it's all wet all over there. Oh, that's not good. Do you know why this is bad? Well, look at this right here. Water gets underneath my faucet and then it drains down and then it goes underneath there and makes everything wet. What an inconvenience that is. Let's go ahead and apply our DEJUPE Lifestyle Worth Living faucet mat, shall we? And here we go. Doesn't that just look absolutely beautiful? It's very lightweight. It's almost this stone feeling type texture. We're gonna go ahead and test this with our spoon. And look at that. You can see the puddles on there already. We're gonna go ahead and do a time test. 2.5 minutes later, and you can see for yourself, it is all absorbed and drying out. That is so cool. Wow. All right. Now, because it does come in 2 pieces, that means that it can actually adapt to pretty much any size faucet. Mine, I wanted to show you guys because mine is pretty thick. It's about, I want to say 3 inches wide, and yet it still works because it is in 2 pieces. Now, if yours is not as wide as 3 inches, these will actually butt right up against each other. And I'm going to show you like this, and it's going to go right in like so into a nice circle. But it is highly adaptable, and this is going to keep water from going around there, dribbling down, and doesn't it just look nice?